Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And I have some friend mail. I have a package and I have two envelopes, and I've cut everything open. I did already record the two cards. I didn't get to the package yet when my camera dimmed down to nothing, so I wasn't recording at all. So I do apologize. I have a card from Kim, from Kim's Happy Place, and she has our home addresses on it, but I did want to show you the envelope. The envelope has a printed ghost on it, and also Kim's address label. I'll cover up her address because it's her home address. Her address has a cat on it, which I thought was really cute. And then look at that cute ghost and that eyeball. That is printed on the card, on the envelope itself. So here it is. Here's the card. I already read it. I already talked to you about Kim and things like that. Oh, y'all, when that kind of stuff happens. But this is the adorable card. And it made me think of my Honeybee because this is how Honeybee was colored. She was calico and she had the white underside. And I never knew her as a kitten, so I wonder if she looked like that. So it says, a little Halloween wish. Hope you get your fill of all the fun Halloween brings, and when the night is over and you go to sleep, wishing you the sweetest dreams. Dear Mary. And it says, Happy Halloween, love you, Kim. And that is adorable, Kim. I love it. Now, Kim's Happy Place, she has a channel. I know you all know her, but I'll put her in the description just in case you don't, just in case you're new here and you don't know her yet. Kim does unboxings. She does antique vlogs and different other types of vlogs. She does some get ready with me's, and she does collabs with other makeup ladies and other unboxers. And she does a lot of collabs with us. She does Mask Monday. And we are doing Mask Monday on actual Halloween Day, which is a Monday, October 31st. And we're doing a little collab between the two of us. Mask Monday, we'll give away some masks. And that'll be a lot of fun. So come and see us for that. So that is Kim's Happy Place. And now my next card is from a subscriber. And this is from Melissa Duggar. And there is her cute little sticker there. And on the front, I'm going to cover her address. There's a little candy corn there. And then there is a cute little monster that is eating pizza. I love that. And it's so funny because to me, pizza and Halloween go together. So, you run home from school. When I was a kid, run home from school, do your homework, eat some dinner. My mom would make us something back then. It wasn't like pizza. Pizza nowadays, kids probably have some pizza, or they go to a pizza party for Halloween or something. And then when we would go out trick-or-treating, it would be dark. And I lived in the city. So the houses were very much the same on a city block. And we would go, we lived toward the end of one block, or the beginning of the block, if you want to look at it that way. We'd go up or down the block and behind the block and then up the next block and come back home. And that was a lot of houses to go to. So even though no houses ever looked like this, we thought they did. We thought some of them did. You know how you're just afraid of one of the, some old man or old lady, you think they live in a house like this. So you're like, ooh, but that is so, I love it. It's so cool. It says, Halloween wishes fill the air. And then open it up, it says, all the way from here to there. Happy Halloween. And then there is another cool house with a jack-o'-lantern there. I love it. And it says Mary, and there's a little private note in there from Melissa to me. And it does say, let's see, Happy Halloween. Love you, Melissa Duggar. So thank you so much for thinking of me, Melissa. I love that card. I really do. I love older homes. That is what I adore. I live in an older home. My home is not as old as this, no. But I love to watch the renovation TV shows, which I don't get to very often, but when I can, I do, and I love them. Because I just love to see the layers when they're, when they're taking things down, and if they will keep things, like the wood floors and the decorative beams and things like that. I love all that kind of stuff. And then Melissa sent me some really cute stickers, y'all. This is like felt. I guess it's felt. And there's a candy corn with an eyeball. So cute. And here's another monster with some of those eyeballs that move. And a jack-o'-lantern with a witch's hat and some eyeballs and candy corn. Adorable. And then this felt ghost. Thank you, Melissa. Those are adorable. Thank you so much. It was so sweet of you to send me that. Thank you, thank you. And I also have a little package that Cici from Cici's Trial Size Life told me she was sending, and we do like to reuse our packaging, which is great. Save a tree. Cici's Trial Size Life, she does a lot of unboxings. She does a lot of mystery unboxings. And right now she's doing a series where she's unboxing advent calendars. And she does probably unboxes the most advent calendars of any of my friend channels. And they're really, they're fun to see. And even if sometimes you get to see what's in a mystery box before you buy it, an advent calendar, because the company will advertise it. But by the time you get it and open it, you forget what's in there. I'm only going to get, I have a cat calendar, and I'm getting the Look Fantastic calendar. I'm only having two, so I'm going to open them each day in December through Christmas. And in the meantime, though, Cici is opening some, and so if you want to see what's in these calendars, some of them are still available. So if you like it, you may be able to buy it for yourself or for a loved one. So she likes to do that kind of thing. Also, Cici is approaching 2,000 subscribers, and she's going to do a big giveaway with one of her advent calendars. She has it behind her. It's from last year, so it has 24 or 25 boxes in it. She's filling that up for her. When she hits 2,000, she's going to give that away. So if you don't know her, which I'm sure you do, but if you don't, I'll have her in the description as well. And these are just really good friends of mine, so I just want you to all go see them. So I'm taking out what's in here, okay? And there is a card, and look how cute that is. Cici has beautiful handwriting, and look at that cute little bat on there. I never thought much about bats. When I lived in the city, I'm not saying I never saw a bat, but I don't think I ever saw a bat. Here where I live in town, but it's still very rural, and when I would be walking my dog at twilight time, I'd see all these things flying, and I just always thought they were birds. And then a neighbor told me those are bats. I'm like, bats, really? So bats are really good to have because they eat bugs, they help with all that kind of stuff. They're wonderful to have around. So anyway, I learned a lot about bats from living in a rural area. So this is the most adorable card that Cici sent me. Isn't that too cute? Beautiful black cat. And it says, "Hi, Mary. These are just a few fall things I thought you and the boys might enjoy. Happy Halloween. Love, Cici." Thank you so much, Cici. And these stickers in here are too cute. Look at all of them. They're happy, smiley Dracula. There's a ghost, an owl, candy corn, the black cat, and jack-o'-lantern. And this ghost is trick-or-treating. He's got his little bucket. That is so cute. Thank you, Cici. Ooh, Cici sent some cutie things. Oh, thank you. Okay, let's see what I got. First of all, for the boys, I don't know where they're at because they're not around. Right. This is so cute. Halloween plush cat toys. It says it's kitty. Let me show it to you first, then I'll read it. Look how cute is that, y'all. It's a coffee and donuts. It says Kitty Chino and donuts with catnip and crinkle paper inside. They will love that. Can you hear that? And then here's the donuts. This donut has pumpkins on it, and this one has the frosting on it. Thank you so much, Cici. Those are so cute. Cici got these at Marshall's. I love that. Oh, they're going to love it. They're going to love it. I'll have to, cut them off the little things there. Thank you, Cici. That's so sweet. And then she sent stuff for me. Oh, these are so cute, Cici. This is the Creme Shop. It's a printed essence sheet mask. Let me show it to you, and then I'll read what it says. That is adorable. It says pumpkin seed oil for firming, squalane for moisturizing, and lactic acid for youth promoting. So the Creme Shop is one of my favorites. It's a lot of people's favorite masks because they're just adorable. Hey, Smudge, did you hear toys and come up? Come on up. It says Latte on it, and this one's name I think is Latte, and this one is Bear. Super cute. So I think it is a character mask. I wasn't thinking it was. It doesn't say on the front that it's a character mask, and it may not be. But when I'm looking at the instructions, it looks like there's some printed on it. We will find out when we do it. I am booked up through Halloween, but I can do this like the first Monday in November. Will be fun. Here comes Smudge. Well, maybe not. And then Cici sent me some of my very favorite eye masks. You coming over, Smudge? All right, come on. Well, come on through. He's gonna walk right in front of the camera, y'all. He can probably smell that catnip. Come on through. Come on through. Come on through. I'll have to get that off the card for you. Say thank you, Cici. These, I love these, y'all. These are the Dew of the Gods. And these are wonderful eye masks. I'll open one up to show you because I can do that after I'm done filming. These are hard to come by. Dew of the Gods is a great line that we have been receiving in Boxycharm for a little while. And when I found out how fabulous these were, then they were hard to get through the Boxy sales. They did have them on sale a little bit, but I haven't seen them for a while now. But I did get them in my last Boxy. They come in at like a Band-Aid box, a tin Band-Aid box. And I'll open one up to show you because they're dry. All right, Smudge, you gotta sit down. Here, you've got it. Here, you can have that right there. When you open it, it has little notches to open. I don't want to rip the, there we go. And then, oops, I'll use them here shortly. See, they're a little bit, you can feel a little moisture, but they're basically dry on the outside. And then they, you peel off the back and then, put them on like this, So of course you're supposed to use clean your face first. So I will use those tonight. Thank you so much, Cici. I love them. I love all kinds of eye masks, but I'm very attracted to the dry masks. And so they have become like my second favorite because my first favorite is the Wander Beauty, which those are not dry, but they're the gold ones, but I really love them. And then Cici sent me this fabulous thing. Look how cute that is. I keep saving it for myself. Okay, Smudge, let everybody see. Let everybody see, Smudge. This is from the Creme Shop also. And it is Hello Kitty Softening and Smoothing Foot Mask. It has pumpkin enzymes and jojoba oil. Pumpkin vanilla scented. Oh, how nice. So these are, it says they're Hello Kitty printed. I'll try to remember to take pictures of this one when I do it. The foot masks and the hand masks are just wonderful. And certain brands do them nicer than other brands, the way that they make them, they fit real nice and they have tabs that stay on and that type of thing. So I'm really excited to do this, and especially Hello Kitty. Cici is a Hello Kitty fanatic as well as Laura the Bargain Hunter. So, and I do love Hello Kitty, and yes, I love my kitty especially. So anyway, y'all, that is my friend mail. And thank you so much, Kim and Melissa and Cici. I love everything. I love the cards. They're so beautiful. I love hearing from y'all. Even, just in the comments, if that's what you can do is to talk to me in the comments. I adore it. I really do. And Smudge, I'm going to cut these off of the card and get that ready for Smudge and Blue. Aren't they just too cute? Look at that. They're going to love that. Thank you so much, y'all. And count your blessings. Good to see you. Bye-bye.